I learned this genius hack recently. I used to use my front camera to film because I felt like I had more control. But then I learned that you can use the Apple Watch. So you open camera on your Apple Watch, and here I can see myself. Genius. I didn't cook this Thanksgiving, so I do not have Thanksgiving content, but I was craving Vietnamese fresh spring rolls for ages, so I decided to make those. I started by boiling my frozen shrimp for 4 minutes, and in the meantime, I made my peanut sauce. I mixed together peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, hot water, garlic powder, ginger powder, and lime juice, and I'll add the measurements in the comments. Then I cut my shrimps in half and sliced cucumbers. Then I soaked the rice wrap in cold water and started assembling with lettuce. And I already had cooked glass noodles with carrots, so I added those. But if you don't, add cooked rice noodles with thinly sliced carrots. Then top that with thinly sliced cucumbers, fresh mint leaves, and shrimp slices. Roll it, dunk it into that peanut sauce, and enjoy. Look how good it looks. Oh my God. Thank you, Vietnam. The peanut sauce is non-negotiable. It's the best part of this meal. I absolutely love it and highly recommend it.